Welcome to all of you. In this video, I'll be showing how to convert from rectangular form to the polar form and polar form to the rectangular form using the calculator. That is the Casio FX 991 ES Plus. Let us first go through the representation of rectangular form and the polar form. The rectangular form is given by x plus iy. The polar form is given by r at an angle of theta, where r is going to represent the amplitude and theta is going to represent the phase part of the representation. So first let us take rectangular to polar conversion. So let us consider two examples for that. 2 plus 3i is one example, 3 minus 2i is another example. Now let us go through the calculator procedure with the first example 2 plus 3i. So here you can observe that I am not using the complex mode, only degree mode of representation is being used in the calculator. Now first let us type shift and plus symbol. We can observe polar of representation. Then type the first part, that is 2, then comma, the second, that is the complex part, 3, close the bracket, press equals. So we are going to get r as well as the theta values. So r is 3.6055 and theta is 56.3099. Now let us write down those values. Now here we have got it converted to 3.6055 at an angle of 56.3099. So similarly, let us consider the second example, which is having a negative value. So let us follow the same steps. Shift and plus symbol. So we get polar of 3, the first value, and then put a comma. So here we are going to have negative value minus 2. So we have to write here as minus 2 only. Close the bracket, press equals. So again we have got the amplitude as well as the phase part. So let us write down. So the amplitude part 3.6055 and the phase part minus 33.6900. Now let us continue this with polar form to rectangular form conversion. Whatever the values we have got as an answer in the previous case, the same values being taken here as input values. So let us go through the procedure in the calculator. So press shift minus, we get rectangular of, first type the amplitude value 3.6055, then put a comma, and then type the phase value 56.3099. Close the bracket, press equals. So here we can observe the first part, that's the real, and the second one the complex part, y part, we have obtained. Here we can observe the answers 1.9999 and then 2.9999. So we can approximate these values to its next value. Therefore 1.9999 is being represented as 2 and 2.9999 is being represented as 3. So our answer will be 2 plus 3i. Let us follow the same procedure for the second one. So again shift minus, so it will give rectangular of, so first part is 3.6055, then comma, minus 33.6900, then press equals. So we are going to get the answer. So the x will be 2.9999 and y will be minus 1.9999. So we are approximating that to the next value. Therefore answer we are going to get as 3 minus 2i. Thanks for joining.